Mastering securing the supply chain. A supply chain security incident response plan without regular testing is a ticking time bomb. Which specific elements should an incident response plan for supply chain security incidents comprise, and what processes are in place to regularly test and update this plan to ensure its ongoing effectiveness and relevance? An incident response plan for supply chain security incidents should comprise the following specific elements. 1. Incident Response Team, IRT, a designated team responsible for responding to and managing supply chain security incidents. The IRT should consist of representatives from various departments, including logistics, procurement, IT, security, and communications. 2. Incident Classification and Severity Levels, a clear definition of incident types, including cyber attacks, physical breaches, natural disasters, and supplier failures, with assigned severity levels, e.g., low, medium, high, critical, to guide response efforts and resource allocation. 3. Incident Detection and Reporting, establish procedures for identifying and reporting potential incidents, including incident detection tools, such as intrusion detection systems, and reporting channels, like anonymous hotlines or online portals. 4. Initial Response and Containment, procedures for initial response, including containment measures to prevent incident escalation, such as isolating affected systems or facilities, and engaging law enforcement or other external partners. 5. Incident Assessment and Analysis, processes for gathering and analyzing incident-related data to determine incident scope, impact, and root cause, including forensic analysis, interviews, and documentation. 6. Incident Response Strategies, predetermined response strategies, including crisis management, business continuity, and recovery plans, to mitigate incident impact and restore normal operations. 7. Communication and Stakeholder Management, plans for internal and external communication, including incident notification, updates, and resolution, to stakeholders, such as customers, suppliers, employees, and regulatory agencies. 8. Incident Closure and Post-Incident Activities, procedures for incident closure, including documentation, lessons learned, and post-incident reviews, to identify areas for improvement and implement corrective actions. To ensure the ongoing effectiveness and relevance of the incident response plan, regular testing and updating processes should be in place, including 1. Tabletop exercises, semi-annual tabletop exercises to simulate supply chain security incidents, testing incident response plans, and identifying areas for improvement. 2. Incident Response Plan Review and Revision, quarterly reviews of the incident response plan to ensure alignment with changing business operations, regulatory requirements, and emerging threats. 3. Training and Awareness, annual training sessions for IRT members, stakeholders, and employees to ensure understanding of incident response procedures and their roles and responsibilities. 4. Supply Chain Risk Assessments, biannual supply chain risk assessments to identify potential threats, vulnerabilities, and areas for improvement, informing incident response plan updates. 5. After-action reports and lessons learned, post-incident after-action reports documenting incident response effectiveness, lessons learned, and areas for improvement, to inform plan updates and process enhancements. 6. Third-party vendor risk management, regular assessments of third-party vendors' incident response capabilities, ensuring they align with organizational requirements and standards. 7. Continuous monitoring and intelligence gathering, ongoing monitoring of supply chain security threats, trends, and best practices, to stay informed and adapt incident response plans accordingly. By incorporating these elements and processes, the incident response plan will remain effective and relevant, enabling the organization to respond efficiently and effectively to supply chain security incidents, minimize impact, and maintain business continuity.